Well, good morning to meteorologist Travis Kleneski here on this Monday morning, back with you live at the KSNB Local 4 studios after 3 weeks stuck at home. It's good to be back. It makes things a little bit easier for me, and I can actually do posts like this for the website, so nice to have. Let's take a look at our here and now on our Futurecast. Outside of some patchy fog, there hasn't been a lot this morning, and it's actually mostly clear, so really, I'll draw a line real quick here. Most of our clouds this morning are about right in here. So cloudy skies for these locations here. Everybody else is mainly clear to start things off this morning. This is all, Futurecast is showing fog, but there's not much out there this morning. There's some patchy fog here and there, but not a major concern. But for those that like sunshine, you'll want to enjoy this morning because it will quickly become cloudy as the day goes on. By this afternoon, it'll be mainly cloudy for much of the area. We're also going to be dealing with a breezy east and southeasterly wind during the day at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Gusts could approach 25 miles per hour. Now, as the evening goes on, the winds will start to die down a little bit tonight as snow chances start to pick up. It'll mostly be a slight chance before midnight, but we'll watch a few isolated spots to see some, maybe a little bit of isolated light snow. I don't think we'll see much snow accumulation prior to midnight in most locations, but after midnight things will quickly ramp up. But I also want to point out, as we watch these snow chances ramp up, watch these arrows here as the winds will start to die down later in the night and into tomorrow morning. So lighter winds. The good news is, as the snow gets going, blowing snow does not look to be a major concern. That is great news. The last snow we had late last week, there was blowing snow, some drifting, some reduction in the visibility. Should not be the case with this one. The snow chances will be ongoing tomorrow morning at 7 o'clock, really favoring central into southwest Nebraska and north central Kansas. Most of it will be near and west of Highway 81 into the southwest here. That's what we'll be looking at for your best chances of some of that snow falling. It will continue into your Tuesday morning, but notice as we get towards noon, we start to see some breaks. Some of it starts to fall apart a little bit. Basically, what's going to happen is the storm gets better organized down to our south, down in southern Kansas and Oklahoma. And as that gets more organized to our south, it's going to take the better chances and move them away from us, basically. So by the afternoon, things will quickly wind down. So by the end of the afternoon, outside of a few lingering flurries across parts of south central and southeast Nebraska and northern Kansas, most of us are really done with the accumulating snowfall. So the bulk of the snow will fall midnight tonight through noon tomorrow. That's kind of the time frame, a 12-hour time frame where most of the snow will fall. Later in the night, things clearing out for Tuesday night, and quieter weather will go into much of the rest of the week. Although there's one more snow chance I'll talk about in your 7-day. So right now, as of right now, winter weather advisories are posted for parts of central Nebraska and back to the southwest. Red Willow County, Furnace County, Harlan County, Frontier County, Gosper County, Phelps, Kearney County, Buffalo, Dawson, Custer, Valley, and Sherman County are included in this from 9 o'clock tonight until 6 o'clock tomorrow evening. These are the areas most likely to pick up 2 to 4 plus inches of snow out of the system. Most forecast models are in agreement. Really, the biggest wild card is going to be around the Grand Island Hastings area. That Highway 281 corridor, there's potential maybe a few of those counties to get added to the winter weather advisory, so we'll watch that. But as of right now, 2 to 4 inches with isolated higher amounts up to 5 inches of snow near and then southwest of the Tri-Cities. I would put it at 1 to 3 inches around the Grand Island, Hastings, St. Paul, Greeley area. To the east of that then, 1 to 2 inches of snowfall, less than an inch of snow around the Lincoln and Beatrice area. And then off to the northwest, amounts quickly lightening up to less than an inch from O'Neill, Broken Bow, northwestward, less than an inch of snow expected in those locations. So not a major snowstorm, not a lot of wind with this, but some accumulating snow is going to be possible. And again, if I were to target an area where it's most likely to see the highest amounts of snow that may breach the 5-inch mark, it would be these areas right here. That would be where I'd expect some overperformance with the storm system, where some places may get up to 5 inches of snowfall. Well, highs for today will struggle, especially over snow-packed areas, mid to upper 20s and lower 30s, maybe a few mid-30s out there where there's no snow on the ground. So it is going to be a chilly day today. Tonight, not as cold with the clouds around, mid to upper teens and lower 20s for lows. And then tomorrow for highs, another chilly day, mid to upper 20s and lower 30s. It will get better after that, though. Tomorrow night, though, another cold night ahead of us. The skies clear up, new snow on the ground, single digits and teens for Wednesday morning. Wednesday, some improvement, much nicer to the northwest with no snow on the ground, more sunshine there, highs in the 40s, stuck in the 30s. over snowpack and maybe a few extra clouds still around over the eastern parts of the state. Beyond that, things will get better, though. Let's look at the 3-day forecast again. Snow late tonight, tomorrow. No snow today. No snow Wednesday. Warming temperatures a little bit on Wednesday, but they will continue to improve later this week. Closer to our average high by the end of the week. I did decide to throw in a very small chance of very light snow late Friday afternoon and Friday evening. It's not a very good chance. It probably won't amount to much. It doesn't look like much as of right now on forecast models, so I would say an inch or less of snowfall. We'll see. We still have a few days to figure that out. We'll see. Winds a touch breezy on Friday. That game in between Nebraska and Rutgers, that's actually New Jersey, so don't worry about the weather for that game. Of course, many Husker fans are probably checked out at this point, but there's one final game for the Huskers there for 3 p.m. Friday kickoff in New Jersey, in Piscataway, New Jersey. Looking beyond that, the weekend, the final weekend before Christmas, more sunshine, and temperatures do start to recover a little bit, especially by Sunday. A lot of this will depend on snow melts, of course. Hopefully we can melt off the snow before then, but we should see warmer temperatures return Sunday. And most of next week, 40s look to return, maybe near 50 on some of those days. That takes us up to the 23rd of December, which is next Wednesday. As of right now, it looks like we're going to keep the mild weather going right into Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. No major snowstorms on the way prior to Christmas. That's good news. So travel hopefully should be okay if you do have travel plans. I know some people want a white Christmas, but by that point, a lot of the snow will have melted, so you're going to be looking at piles of brown snow and not so much white snow at that point here. But again, if you're wanting a little bit of a slightly milder Christmas holiday, I think we're looking okay down the road. At least that's the way things are shaping up at this point. So I want to thank you all for watching on this Monday morning. I will see you all again on Tuesday. Until next time, take care and God bless. Bye.